Hello, guys. Good afternoon to all. This is Mike Padua, and we are here right now in Naga City, giving you the very latest on the tropical cyclone named Inday. That's the local name with international name Muifa. This is the Thursday, September 8th update on this cyclone, brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Aboitiz Power and College Foundation. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set we issued this morning. As you can see, tropical storm Inday is moving slowly across the Philippine Sea, and it's barely moving to the west-southwest, but it's beginning to move more to the west during the past few hours, and it's likely to move towards the west-northwest to northwest in the general direction of the Yeyama and Miyako Islands of southern Japan. So expect some, again, typhoon conditions beginning this weekend across these areas as the tropical cyclone moves closer to the area, and it's likely to reach category 2 or 3 once it reaches these islands. So this will be a double blow for them, particularly since these places are just fresh from the passage of Super Typhoon Henry or Hinam-nor, which devastated the island, and also the areas of South Korea where there are so many affected by the current or the last typhoon that passed over that area. And here comes another one, which is posing to affect the same areas of East Asia. So please take all necessary precautions as Inday is expected to move closer to these islands. But for the Philippine Islands, we are safe when it comes to the threat of this cyclone. It's now a tropical storm with winds of 75 kph. It intensified yesterday to 85, near 95 kph, but it weakened slightly due to possible upwelling over these areas and some wind shear, vertical wind shear or strong winds from the northeast. That's why most of the convection or the cloud circulation are located to the southwest of the possible center. Now the trough or the extension is affecting portions of the Bicol region and eastern Visayas, so we will be expecting some rain showers and thunderstorms within the next couple of days. But so far, the southwest monsoon is on a break right now. It's more concentrated over the low pressure system over Indochina, and it's not moving towards this tropical storm. And we also expect some rain showers and thunderstorms to occur across Mimaropa, Visayas, and Mindanao, which is not related to tropical storm Inday. So as of 11 a.m. this morning, it was estimated around 1,053 kilometers east of Palanan Bay, Isabela, and 75 kph wind speeds. That's the 1-minute average, and moving west-southwest at 13 kph. The trough, the risk of flooding brought about by this trough will be currently at low. And if we take a look at the latest tracking that we issued last night, it's still the same. Nothing changes. The system will pass over this area sometimes Sunday or Monday, and will be moving out of the Philippine area of responsibility on those dates. So that's the forecast, but we have a new Stormwatch update we will be issuing later tonight for our website Typhoon2000. And here's the fast animation. You can clearly see here the cyclone is beginning to move more to the west after the southwest jog during the past couple of days. And the trough is affecting eastern Visayas right now and some portions of coastal Bicol region. And if you take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation from CIMSS Tropical Cyclone page, there you go. It's still quite on its formative stage of becoming a strong tropical cyclone, so that's why it's still at 75 kph. And if you take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, the island of Luzon will also experience some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly over the mountainous areas of northern and central Luzon. And there are also some stray thunderstorms across the western seaboards of Bicol region, and also here over eastern Visayas because of the trough generated by Inday. And localized thunderstorms will be expected as well across the island of Mindanao. Now, here's the tracking of all Asian agencies monitoring Muifa or Inday. It shows here that most of them totally agree that the system will move towards the Miyako area or Yaeyama Islands, towards the southern islands of Japan in between Miyako and Okinawa within the next 5 days. Okay, and as you can see here, some of the Asian agencies' wind speeds are clocking around 65 knots, clocking around 65 kph up to 75 kph. So this is just a typhoon that will pass over the northern Philippine Sea areas, but not affecting any portions of the Philippine Islands. We must be thankful because the southwest monsoon as of this time is on a break. It's not moving towards the Philippine Islands, even though we have a deeper cyclone here moving across the North Philippine Sea. Now here's the global models. Nothing changes. They all agree that it will move towards the Miyako and Yaeyama Island chain. And as we take a look at the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days, this is from the European model. So today until Saturday or Sunday, we expect rain showers and thunderstorms because of the trough affecting the Bicol region, some portions of eastern Visayas, localized thunderstorms across Mimaropa, particularly Mindoro, Panay, Negros, Bohol, and also most parts of Mindanao. We have some localized thunderstorms here for the next 3 days. And also localized thunderstorms because of the possible trough of tropical storm Inday across central and southern Luzon or southern Tagalog provinces. That includes Metro Manila. So don't forget to bring your umbrellas, particularly noontime or late in the afternoon. There could be some threat of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. So there you go. That's the latest for this Thursday. We will give you another quick update by tomorrow, Friday, on the tropical storm Inday, which has now given an international name, Muifa. It's also the same name of Typhoon Unding, which devastated the Bicol region, particularly Naga City, way back in 2004, November 19. But it was again used by the International Committee of Tropical Cyclones of the United Nations because of it's not too damaging to be graduated as a tropical cyclone name. So then the name Muifa stands, but the local name is currently Inday. So again, please take on necessary precautions, and we will see you again, guys, tomorrow for more updates. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.